I'm Josh Ramos, a partner at Ramos and Ramos. So you have a motor vehicle accident case or a workers' compensation case, and they're sending you for what's called an independent medical exam. Essentially what this is, the insurance companies, they figure out ways to cut you off from treatment, to cut you off from getting paid, and they send you to their own doctor who is supposed to be independent, but he knows where these cases are coming from. And what we do is they come and do a physical exam of you, they do some tests, they do some questions, they measure your range of motion, and then what they do is they write up a report whether or not you're injured, whether or not you still need treatment. And some of these doctors haven't even been practicing in years, or this is the only thing they do as a career because they don't even have a practice doing other than these independent medical exams. So what we do when we have clients who are going to these things, we give you a list of instructions. Some of them are keep your answers really short and brief. You don't want to divulge more than asked. It's that Fifth Amendment statements, that is what you can and say will hurt you. So you just keep your statements really short and brief. Don't give them more than what they asked. You still have to do what they say, fill out their form, sign it. What we usually do is we'll send an attorney or a staff member with you just to keep an eye on the doctor. And if we're in suit, we also have a paid consultant who's a nurse, and they come and watch and observe what all these tests are. So if you get a notice from one of your attorneys or your insurance companies to go to these, you have to go, otherwise they can cut you off. But at the end, this doesn't stop your case. Because even if they say, hey, you're fine, you know better because no one knows your body better than you. And that's why you have a good attorney who's supposed to fight these decisions, whether they're at the Workers' Compensation Board, whether they have to arbitrate this with the no-fault arbitration process, or they have to fight another attorney in court. So just make sure you're prepared for what these IME results could be stating, and make sure your attorney and legal team like Ramos and Ramos is there to fight for you every step throughout this process.